Ahoy and welcome to this manual video about adding a new species to an ecoregion. So we are again at the landing page. We log in and we have noticed that a species that we have observed in a certain ecoregion is missing. So I have looked already up a species that we observed today. It's not a common hornbeam, but a hop hornbeam, Latin name Ostrea carpinifolia. I need to know in which ecoregion I have observed this species. We are currently in the Pannonian mixed forest ecoregion. I click on the ecoregion, and here we have three tabs: Overview, Species, PUIs. I click on Species. I check again if the species is really missing. So I copy this from Wikipedia. I check no records to show here, so it means I need to create a new species, and I paste here again the name, create Ostrea carpinifolia, and then I will be guided in such a form. The category, what is it? It's a tree. It is a broadleaf tree, not a conifer, not a palm. And I can take here also from Wikipedia that it is part of the family Betulaceae. Family is important. We want to have this information to better identify different species. We have the scientific name here, and we also want to have the common name. We usually use the English common name, but you can do this, of course, locally according to your language needs. And the English common name would be European hop hornbeam. So we add this here, and we need to have a cover picture. So a picture that we have taken, or that you also take from the public domain. I think we have taken actually a picture today, so let me look this up. This takes a bit. I've taken today a nice lot of pictures, should come in a second. Maybe loading too long. So let's take the picture that we have here from Wikipedia. I downloaded, only one picture needed, and I add it to the mapping. Here it is, nice. Okay, ecoregion correct. And instead of adding manual, we added automated as a pull functionality from Wikipedia. You could do a manual add, then you have to do your own research. We did this with a lot of trees where we thought it is important, but the easier way is definitely to just rely on Wikipedia. So we search. The arc connects to the Wikipedia, and here you go. That's the one that's the species that we want to have, and you press next. But now there comes actually the even more important part is we need to add here pictures and we need to answer a couple of questions so that we can use these trees in our quizzes. So what you find here is usually a very nice description how the bark looks like. This is the wood. You have the seeds, you have a distribution map. But the bark type is smooth as far as we have seen it on the tree. Then you have the leaf type is simple. The leaf shape is good to be seen here. Leaf shape. Is ovate. The leaf margin. The the leaf margin. We can take this also from here, scaly. Yeah, so the leaf margins are dented, I would say. Leaf margins are dentate. And we had a young tree. The young tree was simple, but actually it says here that the bark is rough and has ridges. So then we need a leaf picture and a bark picture. This is important. So the leaf picture could come from our own pictures or again from the public commons. And for this we can also look into other websites like the International Dendrological Society would be one of such websites, and here you can also enter again the scientific name, and we look for it. Interesting, this species is not listed here. Then we need to go to another website, or respectively we just try it with Google search. Sometimes this works better. And we try to find images of the leaves. So this is a very nice image of the leaf. This one too. So let's take this one, save as. We add the leaf picture here. And we need to have a bark picture. We do the same thing. Here we have it, Trees and Shrubs Online. This looks good. Trees and Shrubs Online usually has always a nice selection of pictures. And here we have a good bark picture. Save as. And we edit. And here you can confirm again. It is vertical ridges, but we have to be also clear about this. It's a mixture between vertical ridges and scales. And we can say done, and we publish. And this is how you add a new species and make it available for quizzes. Thank you for watching this manual video on how to add a new species to an ecoregion. Fair winds, and see you soon again.